We're going to show you a simple way to fry a turkey, but first of all you got to prepare the turkey. I'm going to show you how to prepare it to leave overnight. First of all, you get some mustard, and you get a bunch of mustard.
Makes it good.
Makes it real good. It's nasty. I'm going to have to get my hands in it in just a minute. Yeah, we don't want to reuse this mustard. And it's going to be messy, but that's alright. What?
He's leaning on the side of the bowl. Looks like he's propped up on the side of the bowl.
He likes this. He thinks
That's
it's a
good.
massage. Little does he know, this massage comes with a trip to the hot tub. Let's get it all up in here too. Don't that look delicious? Secret ingredient? Tony's. You gotta have some Cajun seasoning. And we're gonna be liberal with it because it's a big burger. It's gonna make that skin real tasty.
So I guess when you fry it, you don't have to inject it with stuff.
Well, you can. Every crook and cranny that you can find, and put some on the inside too. Get your hand up in there and swirl it around. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator overnight and let it set. Let it soak up all the flavoring. And then tomorrow in the morning, we're going to dip it into grease. Be good. Number 2 daughter, not in sequence, but number 2 in birth.
Yeah, sure.
The table is clean. It don't have stuff all over it. That's unusual for our house. Hey, Mama.
Hi. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Whoa! I hear a beeper somewhere. What you getting out of the oven?
This is my green beans.
Green bean casserole?
And that one's got to stay in there. That's
What is that?
dressing.
That's some turkey dressing, chicken dressing?
Yes, my grandmother's recipe.
Grandmother's recipe. What's in that big pot?
These are my soupy dumplings. I tried making them gluten-free and I got them too soupy.
Alright, they'll be good. As long as they taste good. We won't throw you out.
And then I have
What all you got?
sweet potatoes that I'm putting in the oven.
Sweet taters got to go in the oven. Then some of our sweet taters?
Yep, they are. And rolls.
Yeah,
and
go back and
turkey.
watch our canning sweet potato video.
We also have 2
What we got over here?
gluten-free pumpkin pie
Pumpkin pie.
and a gluten-free coffee pound cake.
Coffee pound cake?
I hope it's good.
With cinnamon swirl.
Yes, it does have cinnamon swirl in it.
Cinnamon swirls. Alright, and got some rolls to go with it. Got some glasses. Got the in-laws coming over in a little bit. So that ought to be fun. You're going to do it slow. And let all that grease run out. Because you definitely don't want that grease on you. Alright, we're going to ask my pa-in-law to give thanks.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this opportunity to be together today. Thank you.
Now, put the turkey neck right there for you, pa-in-law.
Right.
It looks delicious.
I killed 3 of my little roosters yesterday, the other day, and cooked them. They was so tough. Man, you couldn't-
Everything you've killed so far is tough.
The quail wasn't too bad.
The quail.
Quail was good.
If you want to,
You like it?
yes. I was nervous about that dressing because I knew there were high expectations.
All right, I'm going to show y'all some outlaws.
You're going to show us how to take a proper picture.
What's that?
You're going to show us how to take a proper picture.
Oh, I don't know. This is just video right here. Oh no, it broke.
You're mean.
I'm not. Hey, who said about the ill wind? You deserve that. That's Auntie Vira, Auntie Linda, Auntie Maureen, Auntie No,
No, wait, yeah, I do.
Uncle D, aka Santa Claus this time of year. Y'all don't know her. Uncle David, Aunt Glo,
And Chico.
Hold on. Let me see if I can get it. And Chico! Y'all gonna be on YouTube for all 10 people to see.
You have too much fun with that, Chuck.
I do have fun with it. Alright, Aunt Gloria. This is their dessert table. They already got their tree up. My goodness. Let's see if they had any leftovers. Probably not. That bunch. Oh, yeah, they did too. Let's see what they have. There ain't much corn left. A few green beans. Some dressing. Looks like some gravy, giblet gravy. Mashed taters. Some ham. And some turkey. And an empty bowl. Well, and all the plates clean. They must not ate at the table.
Problem with the bowl. The bowl is higher, and I know I'm set to fill that bowl.
He moved out the way, but he didn't realize this camera has a swivel on it.
You gotta follow him
I
out.
was following. I said you moved, but I said you didn't realize the camera had a swivel on it.
I liked it too. It's the first time I've made that one, but I really liked it.
Really good. What kind is that?
That's the pumpkin spice.
I don't care for you did.
Experiment out there that takes over inanimate objects?
Yep, makes it look like other innocent experiments did bad stuff when they didn't do anything wrong at all.
Okay, I get it. My bad.
Looks like someone had too much turkey.